So good morning everyone. Today we gather to welcome our kind-hearted principal, Ma'am Jane, honor the dedication of Sir Dalvin and Ma'am May, and lead a fond farewell to Ma'am Genevieve. We, the awesome grade 1, would like to share a special poem celebrating leadership, service, and heart. Today we gather with grateful hearts, with hopeful smiles and hands held tight. This school stands proud, ready to grow, guided by faith, by love, by light.
To our kind-hearted principal, Ma'am Jane in this auditorium, we say welcome today to Banga Elementary School, your new home, your way. With wisdom, compassion, and leadership to the school, we look forward to learning and growing with you.
We honor those who serve beyond the walls of class, reaching dreams where second chances pass. Master Teacher 1, Sir Dalvin, with also fear, you teach with purpose, bringing hope and cheer.
Behind every system that keeps us strong and whole, in service done with heart, patience, and soul. Administration Officer 2, Ma'am May, we proudly say your dedication guides us day by day.
And now, we pause with thanks and gentle fear for a journey that brought us all here. To our ADAS 3, now Administrative Officer 2, Ma'am Ebeb, we applaud for years of service, faith, and work done for God.
Welcome! Thank you and congratulations today for service, for growth, for leading the way. Together we stand, one school, one heart, one aim. At Banga Elementary School, we rise with His name.
Two, 7, 0, 2, 7, 2, 5, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 7, 2, 5, 1. Two, 7, 2, 5, 1.
Okay, mama, may presentation din ako ng grade. Sa grade 1 ako na
kiss me in the morning, kiss me in the night, kiss me in the daytime, kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling, hold me really tight. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me.